What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing this Bluetooth adapter wireless audio receiver. So if you're old school and you have a car and that looks like this when it goes that fast with the blazing trail speed, you're going to want this. So what we're looking at is a Bluetooth receiver, connector plug, a USB charging cable, and a user manual. So let's get started. So basically, yeah, I mean, this looks like convenient. If you don't have, if you have, I guess a wireless phone, unless you have like a USB, then this will work out for you. But if it looks convenient because nowadays everything's Bluetooth. So I like the packaging, first of all. I like that it comes with the manual on top. That way you can read it before like you try to like mess with it. And there we have it. So basically we have, okay, small USB. So it's a standard. It's not, I was hoping that it go USB-C, but I don't know if you can see it. It's a standard one of those standard USB cables. So that's cool though. I mean, as long it's a small one, so you could charge it. And then we have this right here. So that's kind of sweet. So I'm guessing you connect this to your radio, and then the USB goes right here. Well, it's convenient because you could like literally charge it while you drive. So that's cool. So it's searching for it. Let me go grab my phone so I can try to see if I can connect it. So yeah, it looks, I'm guessing it's iWorld. So let's give it a shot. iWorld. I mean, it has instruction manual. Oh yeah, it is. Trademark is iWorld. So we're trying to connect. So I'm connected. So, and it also has a built-in mic. So that's kind of cool. We're gonna use this device type as a car stereo. Sure. So yeah, so technically you plug this in and then your music starts playing, whatever you have playing. It's not gonna play out here obviously, but just to get an example, uh so it's playing right now. It's technically it's playing through this right here as we speak in iWorld. So that's why you don't hear any audio right now. So that's kind of cool. um I wish I was at my car right now, but I'm away from my car, so we're gonna have to wait till next time and we'll preview it. But I wanted to give you like a breakdown. So technically, as you're playing this is putting the audio, and I'm just curious to see what happens if you disconnect from it. Let me see. You just turn it off. Oh, okay, cool. So it disconnects from it. So I'm just curious to see if it turns off after a while. But this looks, I mean, you could be charging at the same time. Hopefully I'm hoping that the radio charges it. I just wish I had, I mean, for $5 it's not bad. I just wish I had like a little, like a little percent, like, or like a battery. But I mean, come on, dude, it's $5, so it's a good steal, you know. And of course, whenever you get a call, you can talk into the mic, and they could, you know, they can hear you clearly if you don't have your windows down. But overall, that's pretty good. It's a Bluetooth adapter. You connect it to your car stereo, and you're able to listen to your music Bluetooth without having to buy a whole new radio. So this is pretty cool. Looks like you can do either way, so that's kind of convenient. And I was actually kind of afraid that I had to connect it to the phone. I had to get like an adapter. I'm like, nah, I don't want to do that because that'd be kind of irrelevant. So you technically connect this to your stereo, and that seems convenient. This is probably the most genius thing anyone's ever done. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much it. It was like a short thing. Yeah, audio output. Oh, here's the instruction manual. So small thing. Yeah, see, this is genius. Whoever thought of this was like, hey, let's do something easier. So info to 3-point into audio jack, and then into input auxiliary line jack of your car stereo system. So internal must be before it first use wireless charge USB charge cable. Yeah, small micro USB. Yeah, the only thing is low receiver power, low audio device may cause poor operation or Bluetooth connection. So it kind of makes sense. So yeah, it's pretty much straight to the point instructions. I like this. Whoever made this, iWorld, keep up the good work. I know we're transitioning to USB-C, so that's the only feedback I want to give you guys. Like, I mean, for now. So, but guys, if you're interested, pick this up. I think it works flawlessly. I don't know how long it lasts, but and I guess we'll turn it off this way. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this. I guess just turn it off as soon as you get off the car. I guess. I guess that's when it's gonna charge. Yeah, guys, let me know if you have any questions. I'll let you know how it works out in your comments below, and we'll jam with you guys next time. Bluetooth out.